fucking crazy, man. Like, you're completely 100% crazy.
Was long, hard, and filled with death. Fucking noob tube. Cause bitches know I don't pull out. Hey! Ah, fucking tank. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Sniper. Ah, bitch. I'm so happy. What the fuck? Fucking snipers out the little... Oh, little fleur bitch. It's a little fleur bitch. Oh! I am fucking them up right now. Fucking Zunai rocket. Zunai rocket! Fucking hey. Really, you fucking little cunt? Holy shit. I went full cunt just then. You ain't cool unless you shoot out the window before you jump through it. Where the fuck did that little bitch just go? Oh, headshot. Beautiful. Fuck. Double kill. Got him. Shot him in the asshole. I suck at this game, though. Fuck. Oh! That shit landed at his feet. Got him. I can't believe I got that motherfucker from him. Up. Fuck. Everybody, Mark 11 mod 0. All I heard was, it's a noob ass gun. Oh, I can't believe I got a fucking kill. Nah, I use the cheapest fucking guns in the game. Like, oh! Oh, fuck. Well, damn. It's like giving everybody an award whenever they lose. Congratulations, you participated.
Is the army experimenting with some new form of crack?
Yes, it's called Sabbagha. Oh, that motherfucker just got owned. Oh, hey, there's the bomb. Hey guys, I found the bomb.
Please.
Hey guys, I got the bomb. Hey guys, I'm dead. You never wanted to shit on somebody from the sky? You don't wipe. Oh, fuck, my shoulder just went numb. It's on Alpha. How long do we have to defuse that shit? I guess that long, huh? Really? Fucking, oh. Let a tank get on top of me, I'll blow him. I'm sorry, did I get a little carried away there? Guy! Oh, fuck! Oh my god, he shot me through a fucking palm tree. Behind a rock. Baby, come back. I just want to hug you with the hydrogen peroxide wipe over your mouth and nose. I'm not trying to make him retarded before I... you know? That motherfucker got me. Woohoo! God dang it. I'll blow it. Dead it in place, right? Yeah, okay. Boom! Only cool guys look at explosions. Where the fuck did he go? Giggity! Yeah! Baby, come back. Oh yeah, baby. Baby, come. Oh shit! Yeah, now I'm fucking. Ah! This is why I don't drive too much. Oh shit! Oh shit! The toast butter My name's Tiny Nips, and I like vegetarian burgers. Really? Right! I'm on the hunt today for a roiled erlin. It typically likes being in a assault class with a DMR, sometimes an MTAR. Crikey, I think I spotted it. I'm about to take this fucking hovercraft and shove it up their asshole. Fucking A, somebody's shooting the shit out of me. Skeeter done got him. Every time I look down, I see your name is Burrito and I get hungry. What the fuck? Stop trying to touch my McRib. Just say McRib. That's what make me even hungrier. Please, oh my god. Oh, shoot his ass. Shoot this motherfucker. Baby, I want you to touch my McRib. Oh, I thought that said Chewbacca Jew. I was like, that's fucked up.